Welcome to Six Figs. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're talking about the one and only ICP, from the ecosystem news to the charts. So let's dive right into this, folks. We got a banger tweet out of Disruptive's ICP.hub. Check out this dope 3D print of the Internet Computer logo for our incubator launch, folks. This is absolutely sick. I would love to get my hands on something like this to throw it on the backside of my set. But man, good job. Tip of the hat to these people for some crazy creativity there. Now, we had this thing drop from Crypto Leaks the other day. Arcam intelligence engineer refused to continue with the alleged Binance exploit. Folks, I've been telling you guys how evil Arcam intelligence is, and showing you live here. They know that I am onto these people like an absolute bloodhound, and they blocked me. So it is what it is. But Crypto Leaks has taken this to another level, securing these secret spy videos and things like that. So I thought that this was very interesting. And what Arcam was doing was some very shady practices that really challenge a lot of people's ethics, and really creates kind of a dilemma. So they were basically accessing mainframes of FTX and Binance, trying to steal data and things like that. The people at Arcam Intelligence are some of the most shady people in the entire crypto space. These are the people that want you to be exposed. They want your wallets to be exposed. These people want to be able to provide governments with lists of names linked to wallets and stuff like that. Arcam Intelligence, they may have a good tool at finding things on the blockchain, transactions, wallets, and things like that. But this is one of those projects that does a lot of evil at the same time, in my own opinion. The Internet Computer is the co-host of the prestigious Crypto Oasis UAE Web3 Week in Dubai, October 15th through the 20th. So this is going to be cool. And we do have Dominic, who will deliver a keynote address. So this is going to be awesome, to say the least. I think everybody kind of loves it when Dominic gets up to present his ideas, his thoughts on the current state of crypto, the future, future forward, things like that. So this will be very exciting. Hopefully somebody will record that and then put it up for all of us to view. There's no way I can make it to Dubai in the next 5 days. So with that said, the last note for ICP is that there is a test net version of CKETH, which is now available. So you can get in testing mode. So this is going to be kind of cool to see what people think of this at this point in time. So big things happening with Dfinity. They're getting their name out there, doing a lot of stuff in the community, getting out to a lot of conferences. It's great to see great traction. Internet Computer's down up a half a point on the day, down about 5 on the month, down about 10 on the month. So really no big deal. We're still, folks, we're still trading within this falling wedge style pattern here. So I mean, I do think that there is this chance that we could be retesting, the upper trend line of this wedge. So I do think that is a possibility on the daily right now. Bear with me, I'm just going to make this look prettier. And you guys can see that I do suspect that there could possibly be this retest of this trend line here. And I think that's where things are at right now with this market. So it wouldn't surprise me to see the price tag go down into the hole again. Maybe look for some $2.80 levels, some $2.72 levels if the bottom falls off. I mean, with the recent events and with respect to the recent events, I don't care what side you're on, Palestine, Israel, I would hope that you would condemn death, destruction of both sides of the aisle. I just feel like the markets are unsure what's happening right now and how far this new conflict is going to escalate to. So I do think that right now, the markets are kind of pulling back. and they are just kind of waiting and seeing what happens. Obviously, if some really bad stuff starts flying, I mean, it's going to get real nasty. 4-hour chart, we're about to see a little bit of a death cross happen here. So, I mean, it wouldn't really surprise me to see a little bit more of a pullback. Just trying to see, we might have a Gartley pattern here. Bear with me 1 second. I just noticed this right now, so bear with me. Yeah, definitely. Let's work this one out, because this is going to be important for this. So when we throw up like a bullish Gartley pattern, what we're doing is we're looking to see where price goes down here. And how we do this, folks, is we measure from the X point up to the A point. And basically what I'm doing is I am looking, folks, for price to come down, wick this 61.8 to 786 area. Okay, at the B point. So we do have that confirmation here. And then what I'm looking for next is that we come up and at least crest the 61.8 level. So we have done that over here at point C, which you can see right here. Now, this price here, this right shoulder, can go all the way up as high as point A, but it just can't go higher. But it needs to pierce the 61.8. So I do think that we could have a potential Gartley pattern here, or some sort of harmonic pattern. And yeah, so this thing played out like clockwork. The first thing I always look for is for price to come down to the 127. And I do think that there could be a chance that it comes down to the $2.81-ish level for ICP. Not financial or trading advice. We'd need to spend more time working this harmonic and crunching the numbers, folks. But that's kind of where I'm at right now. Is it going to happen? Nobody knows. But there is this little death cross that is about to really happen. And so it wouldn't surprise me to see price drop down sharply to this $2.81-ish level. I mean, you can maybe argue the fact that there's an ABCDE corrective wave here as well. This is complicated, folks. We're going to need more time to really analyze what's going on with the world events right now, what's happening with the markets all over the place. So we'll tune in. I'll do another video tomorrow on ICP to see where this price action actually went, and we'll touch base from there. Love you all. See you on the next video.